This program has been a transformative experience for me. It has to shape my understanding of what sustainability is. Previously, I thought sustainability is all about adopting eco-friendly materials and processes. But right now, I realize that it is far more comprehensive. The program also emphasized on the importance of aligning business decisions with sustainability. So, for example, previously I thought that selecting suppliers would be just a very straightforward process. But right now I realize that we have to align our goals with whatever suppliers we choose so that it can deeply impact the sustainability journey of the company.
The CSSCP program really changed how I see supply chain management, especially in terms of the bigger picture. Before, I didn't realize how many factors like sustainability, technology, and global trends will affect the entire process. It has also helped me to see how small improvement in process can lead to significant long-term benefits.
What really stood out was the blend of the theory and the practical application. Before the program, I have to admit that I have a very narrow view about the supply chain sustainability because I just think it's just focused on the environmental aspect, such as reducing carbon emission or minimizing waste. But the program really taught me that sustainable practice as the three bottom line, which are environmental, social, and economic sustainability, how these elements interconnect, and then how they influence each other in the supply chain. It's not just being green, but they can also drive a very long-term value.
This certification, being internationally recognized, it significantly enhances our credentials, and it gives us a competitive advantage or edge in our professional careers. So moving forward, I plan to leverage this credential in all aspects of my work. And I aspire to be known as someone who drives innovation and continuous improvement with sustainability in the forefront. So the comprehensive knowledge and strategies we have acquired in this course will help us tackle the real-world challenges towards creating impactful and sustainable solutions. So for me, this certification is not just a milestone, but it is a foundation wherein we build and inspire others to foster collaboration in the revolution towards a more sustainable future.